1960s Ford 800 series with the original Ford front loader. Very powerful. I bought a piece of land, and the tractor was back in the woods, and it looked like scrap metal when I first got it. It was just, the wheels were rusted, holes through, and I was told just to scrap it, get a few hundred out of it, maybe $150 out of scrap, but I decided to fix it, and it works good. I mean, maybe it leaks a little bit on the cylinders, but I mean, that's really nothing. 4-cylinder, 55 horsepower, gasoline engine. I think it's the 180 something or 170 something cubic inches. It was already transferred over to 12 volt. It sat like for 10-15 years, but it is a great machine. Has a selecto speed and it works good. I tried that out even before I put too much money into it. I got a cheap carburetor off Amazon, since the other one was shot. It was all rusted up inside. I cleaned it out, poured transmission fluid down the cylinders. It was stuck at first, and I got the motor unstuck, changed out all the wiring, cleaned it up somewhat, and started it up, and she works very well. And great machine. Selecto speed just works perfect. Looks like it has the not the original selecto speed, but the one Ford would put in if you brought it. The recall hydraulics are very powerful. Has an external auxiliary hydraulic pump in the front that powers the loader, so I'm probably getting 15 GPM straight to the loader. It's supposed to lift about 2,400, between 2,000 and 2,400 pounds on the loader, so that's very impressive. A good machine. I'll post another video when I get more work done to it. Here's the fuel tank. If you guys are having issues with getting these fuel tanks cleaned out, all that rust, just put some rocks in it, shake it around, break all that rust free, and then use vinegar, distilled white vinegar, and that'll really clean it up. And that gas tank's almost done. Radiator leaks a little bit, but it's very minor. And the power steering works great. Top end machine. I might sell it later on if any of you are interested. But it's a very nice machine to be sitting in the woods, just sitting there for 10-15 years.